You're local on the 8th.
The temperature is 32 degrees with heavy sleet and thunder.
Our local Doppler radar. Our week ahead.
For anyone just tuning in, we have up on our screen here our local watches and warnings. As you can see, we have quite the amount of winter weather advisories due to this system moving across the states. And there has been some scattered sleet and a mix of wintry precipitation throughout northern Kentucky tonight. The main hazards are black ice, which is very dangerous. And let's go ahead and look at tonight. Tonight we have a winter weather advisory until 12 a.m. and the current temperature is 31 degrees. Let's now look into the future here with Friday and our 5-day outlook. So Friday, it's going to be relatively cloudy here with a high of 48. Here's our 5-day outlook. Friday, cloudy. Saturday, some wintry mix. Sunday, some scattered clouds throughout the day. Monday, it's going to be sunny. And Tuesday, we're going to have a little bit of rain. We now have a tornado warning in effect until 10:20 p.m. and coverage will be coming shortly. This is our velocity. It seems as if we have a strange weak tornado here. If you don't know, we are looking at our velocity radar showing this small couplet where the warning that was issued by the National Weather Service, we will keep you updated on this situation. Luckily, it doesn't look very strong, and if this does do damage, hopefully it won't be bad. Okay, so we're back. We are zoomed in much farther. Now it seems as if this has already gone away pretty quickly, so if we do have any more occurrences of this, we will continue coverage, but now we will continue our programming.